Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at 7 SUVs that seniors should buy without hesitation. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a true gem among SUVs for seniors looking for comfort, safety, and reliability without spending a fortune. With prices starting around $30,000, it offers a smooth ride that won't make you feel every bump in the road. The suspension is soft, making long journeys easy on your back and knees because, let's be honest, no one likes having to struggle out of a stiff car. One of the biggest benefits is safety. The CX-5 comes with standard features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It's like a built-in co-pilot, always on guard, even if you're not quite awake from your morning coffee. And with excellent crash test results, it'll protect you if some absent-minded driver forgets that a red light means stop. Reliability? Mazda delivers on that too. The CX-5 consistently ranks among the most reliable SUVs, with fewer problems than many competitors. Fewer trips to the mechanic mean more money in your pocket. And with easy handling and a compact size compared to bulky SUVs, the CX-5 makes parking a breeze. No need to make a 10-way U-turn or pray before reversing. It's the perfect balance of practicality and fun, proving that getting older doesn't mean choosing a boring car. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is an SUV that makes life easier, especially for seniors who value comfort, reliability, and a hassle-free ride. Let's start with why it won't leave you on the side of the road. Toyota is known for its reliability, and the Highlander is no exception. It easily covers 220,000 miles with basic maintenance, and some examples reach 310,000 miles. That means if you buy one today, you'll likely drive it for years to come without any unexpected repair bills. When it comes to money, the Highlander is a smart investment. The starting price is around $40,000, but you get durability, excellent fuel economy for its size, and high residual value. Insurance is reasonable too. Since the Highlander is not a teenager's street racing dream, comfort is another plus. The Highlander rides so smoothly that it practically glides over potholes. Toyota includes advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control as standard, giving you extra digital eyes on the road. In the end, the Highlander is a practical SUV that's built to last. It's safe, efficient, and built like a tank, but it doesn't cost a fortune to fill up. For seniors looking for peace of mind without the expense, it's a great choice. Number 5. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a comfortable, safe, and reliable SUV. With prices starting at around $37,000, it compares favorably to more expensive competitors that like to throw in $10,000 just for the badge. Let's be honest, no one wants to spend their retirement savings on overpriced wheels when they have cruises and grandkids to spoil. One reason the Telluride is popular with seniors is safety. The IIHS gave it its top safety rating, which is like the Oscars of the car world. It's loaded with features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Reliability? Kia is on top, catching up with Honda and Toyota. The Telluride comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which basically means, don't worry, we've got you covered. It's peace of mind that lasts longer than some gym memberships. The Telluride proves that a great SUV doesn't have to cost a fortune, just a reasonable monthly payment that leaves room for dining out. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is a fantastic SUV for seniors who want a hassle-free, comfortable, and safe ride without draining their retirement savings. With a starting price of around $28,000, it's affordable for its class, and Hyundai's legendary 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty makes reliability a virtual certainty. That means less worry about expensive repairs and more time enjoying the road, whether that's a golf course or a trip to the store. That means fewer stops at the gas station, less hassle with paying, and more money for the grandkids or a Florida vacation. Safety is another plus. The Tucson comes with Hyundai SmartSense technology, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. When it comes to maintenance, Hyundai models are known for their reliability, and repair costs are lower than many competitors. While some SUVs empty your wallet at the garage, the Tucson stays on the road, making life simple and stress-free. Safe, affordable, and easy to maintain. What more could you want? Number 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a great SUV for seniors who value reliability, comfort, and ease of driving without spending all their savings. With a price tag starting around $30,000, it's not the cheapest SUV around, but it's a Honda, which means it'll probably outlast your neighbor's newfangled Diet. Honda is known for its reliability, and the CR-V is no exception. It easily covers 220,000 miles with minimal issues, so you'll likely pass it on to your grandkids before it gives up. Maintenance costs are reasonable, averaging around $400 to $500 per year, which is much less than some luxury brands. Honda parts are easy to find, so repairs don't have to be a treasure hunt. Ease of driving is another plus. The CR-V has a comfortable seating height, so you don't have to climb or sink into the seat. Parking is easy thanks to the light steering and rear-view camera, reducing the risk of creative parking. Practical, affordable, and durable, the CR-V is not just a good choice, but a smart investment for peace of mind on the road. Number 2. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is like the golden retriever of SUVs, loyal, reliable, and always ready to protect you on the road. The high seating position and wide opening doors make getting in and out as easy as stepping off a porch. There's no awkward scrambling or bending over like you're trying out for the gymnastics team. Visibility is excellent. Big windows and a low dashboard make it easy to spot cars, pedestrians, and tricky stop signs. At about $29,000 new, it's a bargain in a world where SUVs can cost as much as a small house. Plus, it holds its value very well, so you won't feel like you're handing over a winning lottery ticket when you sell it. Reliability is Subaru's calling card. More than 96% of Foresters sold in the last 10 years are still running, making it a marathon runner among SUVs. Standard all-wheel drive means icy roads or rainy days won't ruin your plans. And with top safety ratings year after year, the Forester is like a protective bubble on wheels. Whether it's a quick trip to the store or a scenic drive, the Forester delivers comfort, safety, and peace of mind without breaking the bank. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is like a reliable neighbor who always shows up on time, never asks for favors, and only gets better with age. For seniors looking for a hassle-free SUV that doesn't require constant attention, the RAV4 is an obvious choice. Reliability? Toyota literally wrote the textbook on this one. The RAV4 isn't just built to last, it's built to last without drama. With regular maintenance, it'll easily cover 220,000 miles, so you'll probably tire of it before it tires of you. Safety is another plus. Toyota includes standard features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, essentially adding an extra set of eyes on the road. As for the money, the base model starts around $28,000, with well-equipped versions reaching into the mid-$30,000. The residual value is one of the best, so if you want to change the car, you will not be left with a depreciated load. This concludes our video. If you found it useful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss future videos.